How to fix your organization manages updates on this PC message on Windows 10. To fix your organization manages updates on this PC message on Windows 10, try 1. Disconnect school or work account. Launch the disconnect option in the Access Work or School menu under Accounts. Rerun the PC Health Check app 2. Reset group policy. Disable all enabled items in user configuration administrative templates all settings under Gadite.msc. Restart your computer and run the PC Health Check app later.